Okay, Adventures of Wrench Guy. I got this graphotype machine, American addressograph. Last patent date is 1909. I'm sitting out in the weather, actually in a barn, man. It's a little rusted up, but anyway. Okay, then this is my highly educated offspring. Give me a lot of roll eyes when they see the trailer come back home. This is a truck tire for my truck. So Hobart Brothers air compressor. This one has stay bolts in it. I've seen riveted tanks and welded tanks. Anyway, it's got stay bolts in it. I guess it's a welded tank. Here's the fence to the table saw. This table saw came with a joiner attachment. Cast iron bracket and base of the joiner is all one piece. And there's the adjustment for the bed height. Belt driven, of course. This is I believe this to be a Beach #1 rolling table or sliding table belt drive saw from the 1890s. I also believe this is a piece of equipment that was used at the Novo Engine Company. It has their shop number on it, so I assume it was made for a carpenter shop, or used in a carpenter shop. This is the outfit that I think either sold it to them or sold it after they were done with it. Bach equipment. Anyway, this the table sits on these rollers, this end and the other end, and it travels for shortcuts. But you could also use the saw for a table saw, I guess, if you wanted to, but it's pretty awkward on the other end. Okay, Kyle, show us how the printing press works. Here we got a Chandler Price Cleveland, Ohio printing press. This is an amazing cast iron engineered contraption. Not so fast, Kyle. You might break something. Wonderful job. I'm not sure it's all here. It's got a couple minor parts broken. But anyway, this is probably going to be something I'll flip. I wanted it because of the motor. Okay, Kyle, relax. The motor is old-timey Northwest 220 or 108 or something. I forgot, I can't read it. It's a neat old motor. I like motors like this. This is not the original motor for the printing press, because the bolt pattern is different. This is 3/4 horse. And here's the back of the printing press. From what I understand, it weighs 1,500 pounds. So, okay, here's the belt end of the Beach #1. A cutoff saw is what I get it as, but a table saw. Actually has two blades. Kyle, you could move this rod, please? Yeah, anywhere. But there's an adjustment for the height, an adjustment for which blade you want to use. Here's the other side of the joiner. That's kind of leaning off the side a little bit. I don't know if it's the wood frame or what. But anyway, this is the power pulley here on the left. This is what they would power it with. This is a saw blade pulley, and then this big pulley is for the joiner. The belt's laying up there, and the joiner pulley is small, and this is big. But this whole end is an attachment. Well, I believe it's an attachment because it's built separately. There's two distinct pieces. You got the pulley assembly and you got the saw assembly. But anyway, I got this because it was used in the engine factory, and I hope to replace some woodwork on it and get it operational and safe, and put an engine on it at the engine shows and do some cutting with it. Here's the other end of the Hobart compressor. I'll get the engine tag, or the motor tag on the compressor in frame. If I can. I can lean over that far. Okay. Fun with Dad, fun with Wrench Guy. Thanks for watching my video.